Hello students, welcome to the fourth session of the playing with numbers. Today we will start the test of divisibility. Without actual division, without actually dividing a number, we can identify the number whether it is divisible by a particular number or no. So that is what we will learn the test of divisibility. So the first test of divisibility, we will see the divisibility by 2. A number is divisible by 2 if the ones digit of a number is 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8. Or you can read it as a number is divisible by 2 if it is even number. That means all even numbers are divisible by 2. If the number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, then we can say that number is divisible by 2. For example, I will take a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8. Is this number divisible by 2 or no? Only thing I have to check only units place. In units place, is it a even digit? Yes, it is a even digit. So it is completely divisible by 2. Or you can take one more example if it is. Just see it. Is that number divisible by 2? So I have to see only units place. So in units place it is a even number. So it is divisible by 2. Suppose if it is 5, 6, 7, 8. Is it divisible by 2? Just check the units place 8. It is the even number. So it is also divisible by 2. So if you want to verify it, 5, 6, 7, 8. Divide it by 2. 2 into 2 is 4. So 1 remains, 6 will come. 2 into 8, 16. So 0. Next will be 7. 2 into 3, 6. 1 remains, 18. 2 into 9 is 18. That means it is completely 0. Yes. When you get a remainder completely 0, then you will say that number is completely divisible by the given number. So here, if the very simple, if the units place is even digit, then that number is completely divisible by 2. Next we will see the divisibility rule of 3. A number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. That means whatever the number is given, that digits you have to add. If the sum is divisible by 3, then you say that number is completely divisible by 3. For example, we will take a number over here, that will be 1, 2, 3, 5, 1. So how to check? So go on adding digit by digit, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 1. Okay. On adding, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 1, 12. Is 12 a multiple of 3? Yes, 12 is divisible by 3 because 3 into 4 is equal to 12. That means the given number is completely divisible by 3. If you want, you can check. That is 1, 2, 3, 5, 1 divided by 3. So 3 into 4 is 12. On dividing, how much you will get? 0. Next will be 3. 3 into 1 is 3. So again it becomes 0. Next 5 will come down. 3 into 1 is 3. So subtract, remains 2. Next remainder, that is 1. 3 into 7, 21. So yes, when the remainder is 0, that means the given number is completely divisible by 3. We have to do very simple thing here. Whatever the digits, the number they are given, you add those digits. Whatever the sum you will get, if it is divisible by 3, then you say this number is completely divisible by 3. Suppose what if the number is not a multiple of 3? Then it is not divisible by 3. For example, if you take 1, 2, 3, 5. So add here 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5. How much you will get? 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 11 you will get. Is 11 a multiple of 3? No, it is not multiple. That means this number is not divisible by 3, that much. So hope you understand the divisibility rules of the 3. The same rule will be applied for 9 as well. We will see the divisibility of the 9. We will see the divisibility rule of the 9. Divisibility by 9. a number is divisible by 9. A number is divisible by 9 if the sum of the digits is divisible by 9. Same rule, no change at all. Same rule you will apply. You will take an example here. Just take a number. So, same rule. Just go on adding this. 1 plus 3 plus 5. How much it is? 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 9. Is 9 divisible by 9? Yes, 9 into 1 is 9. That means this number is completely divisible by 9. Just check here. 9 into 1 is 9. 13 minus 9 is 4. 45. 9 into 5. 45. Subtract 0. Yes, when the remainder is 0, the given number is completely divisible by 9. See here, for 3 and 9, rule is same. You have to, whatever the number is given, in that you have to add the digits. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3 or 9, then that number is divisible by 3 or 9. Okay, we'll see the divisibility by 10. A number is divisible by 10 when its ones digit is 0. That means if a number ends with 0, that number will be completely divisible by 10. So without actual division, you can say if a number ends with 0, that number will be completely divisible by 10. So if it is 2, 3, 4, 0. Without doing the actual calculation, I can say it is divisible by 10 because just look at the unit place, it is 0. At the end, if it is 0, then it is divisible by 10. So if you want divide and see, 2, 3, 4, 0 divided by 10. 10 into 2 will be 20. So remainder will be 3. Next number will be 4. So 10 into 3 will be 30. So remainder will be 4. Next 0 will come here. 10 into 4 will be 40. So when the remainder has become completely 0, that means given number is completely divisible by 10. Only thing you remember, if a number ends with 0, then that number is completely divisible by 10. Whatever the number will be, if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, is just divisible by 10. Yes, only you just look at the unit place. If it is 0, then that number will be completely divisible by 10. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Is this number divisible by 10? No, it is not divisible because in units place it is not 0, it is 7. We need 0 here. If it is 0, then it is divisible. If it is not 0, then it is not divisible by 10. This is the divisibility of. Next, divisibility by 5. A number is divisible by 5 when its ones digit is 0 or 5. It is as similar as the divisibility by 10. There, if the number ends with 0, it is divisible by 10. Here, if it ends with 0 or 5, then it is completely divisible by 5. For example, you can take 2, 3, 4, 5. Is this number divisible by 5? So I have to just look at the units place. It is 5 in the units place. That means this number is completely divisible by 5. What if it is 3870? So only look at the units place, which is 0 here. If it is 0, then also it is divisible by 5. Either it should be 5 or a 0. If it is 5 or a 0, then it is completely divisible by 5. If it is any other number apart from 0 or 5, that means it is not divisible by 5. If you want to check the first number 2, 3, 4, 5, whether it is divisible by 5 or no. See here, 5 into 4, 20. So 3 remains. Next will be 4. 5 into 6 will be 30. So 4 remains. Next 5 will come. So that means 5 into 9, 45. The remainder has become complete 0. That means if a number in its units place is 0 or 5, then we say it is completely divisible by 5. The homework. Write the divisibility rule of 2, 3, 5, 9, 10 and give 2 examples to each. So write the divisibility rule and give 2 examples to each divisibility rule. For 2 divisibility by 2, give 2 examples. Divisibility by 3, write the rule and give 2 examples. Like that you solve the given homework in your home. So hope you enjoyed this session. See you in the next session. Thank you.